Good morning, all the students. I am Anjali Thakur, Assistant Professor from TIT College. Today, we will learn about what is marketing research in BBA second year. These are the syllabus of BBA second year, all the subjects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, first topic is unit 1 in first topic analyzing competition and consumer market and marketing research methodology. First is what is analyzing competition. So it is the process of identifying, assigning, evaluating existing potential competitor in the marketplace. It helps a company understand how competitors operate, their strength, weakness, and overall competitive environment. So, what are the objectives? To gain edge over rivals, position the company efficiently in the market. So, this is called analyzing how we analyze competition in the market research methodology. So, these are the steps of competition analysis. First one is identifying competitors, in which direct competitors, indirect competitors. Second one is collect information. Third one is analyze the strength and weakness. What are the strength and weakness of the company? And fourth one is evaluate competitive strategy, that cost leadership, differentiation, focus study. And fifth one is industry structure analysis, that is Porter 5 forces: threat of new strands, bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of buyers, threat of substitute and rival among competitors. And last one is monitor competitors movements. So these are the importance of marketing, analyzing competition, how to identify marketing opportunity and threats, pricing and promotion strategy, decision making, innovation, and marketing position performance. Second topic is analyzing consumer market. What is analyzing consumer market? It studies the characters, needs, buying behavior of consumer. It helps the organization understand who is the consumer and what they want and how they are make purchase decision. So what are the steps of consumer market analysis? First is market segmentation, that is depend on demographic, geographic, physiographic behavior. Second one is target market selection, and third one is study of consumer behavior. What are the need, information research, evaluation of alternative, purchase decision, post purchase behavior, customer feedback and satisfaction analysis. And third one is importance of consumer market analysis, how consumer has the business decision oriented objects, increase customer satisfaction, loyalty, improve market effectiveness, and changing consumer trends. Third topic is market research methodology. What is it means? Thus, how we systematic process of collecting, recording, analyzing information about the consumer, customer, competitors, and overall market to support business decision. So, what are the objective? First one is market trend and consumer behavior, new market opportunity, new product or services, market performance, and effectiveness. So, these are the objective of marketing research. Third one is steps of market research methodology. First one is define the problem and objective. Second one is developing the research plan. What is primary data, secondary data, chooses research method, data collection, data analysis, interpretation, report preparation, and presentation. That are the steps of market research methodology. What are the type of marketing research? First one is exploratory research. Second one is descriptive research. Third one is casual research. These are the marketing research in which we exploring new ideas, identifying problem, define the features of the market consumer, and causes and effect relationship. What importance of market research? Scientific basis for decision making, reduces identify market trend, customer preferences, market strategy and effectiveness, customer satisfaction and loyalty. So these are the relationship between competition analysis, consumer market analysis, and marketing research. So analyzing competition and consumer market It is the systematic market research that provides valuable insight for decision making. It helps the organization to develop effective strategy, create customer value, and achieve long-term success in dynamic business environment. So in this unit 1, we will study competitive analysis, consumer market analysis, and market research. Second, unit 2, second topic is what is marketing research. So it is the systematic process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information about the market, customer, competitor, products to help the manager to make better decision making. Its main purpose is to reduce business risks, identify market opportunity, improve market effectiveness. So, what are the types of market research? First is consumer research, in which we focus on understanding the need, preference, attitude, buying behavior of consumer. What objective is how the customer wants an expectation, influencing buying behavior and customer satisfaction loyalty. Method used is survey question and interview focus group, observation and consumer panel. What are the importance? It helps in developing customer oriented products, improve customer satisfaction and loyalty, and builds a strong brand customer relationship. What are the product research? It study all aspect of product, that is design, quality, packaging, features, performance, to ensure that it meets market needs. Objective uh, objective new product ideas, new product or prototypes to improve existing product and packaging. Types of product research. First one is new product research, product testing, brand and packaging. Important. Risks of product failure, reduces of risks of product failure, improves product design innovation, and increase customer satisfaction and sale. Third one is sales research. It involves the systematic study of sales performance, sales forecasting, and distributing channels. So, what are the adverting? What are the objective? Objective is that how the market demand, sell for prognosis, to analyze marketing potential and pricing effectiveness. Methods are used: sales data, importance, helps in setting the realistic sell target, enhances distribution efficiency, and channel performance. Advertising research is means the advertising message, media campaign in reaching the influencing the target audience, to develop test effective and message, to select suitable media and timing, and impact of advertising on sales and brand sale. Pre-testing, post-testing. Types of advertising research is pre-testing and post-testing. Pre-testing is launching the ad to test appeal and clarity, and post-testing is means to run to measure the effectiveness and audience recall. Methods are used: focus group, experimental advertising. Importance: effective communication with target market, improve media planning and budgeting, and the return on investment of ad campaign. So these are the similarities or the uh, types of research: consumer product sales research and advertising research. Cons- Marketing, so what are the you need to it helps the market environment satisfy consumer need, improve decision making by conducting product sales, advertising research campaign, and can stay competitive and achieve long term business success. So, what is market research? It is means the systematic collecting and recording the analysis of data to the goods and the services. What are the various issue involved in marketing research? That is the lack of informed consent, misleading question or data collection, disclosure of research process, confidential issue, and conflict of interest. So these are the uh, These are the various issues that is involved in marketing research. What are the ethics in marketing research? That is from research. What are the responsibility of ethical responsibility of researcher? That is, it should be honest, sampling data analysis, accuracy, truthfulness, and informed consent from participant. Next one, what are the ethical responsibility to respondent? That is, it should be privacy and dignity, manipulative technique for forcing participant to answer uncomfortable question. It, towards client, unbiased information, maintain professional integrity, do not lose research result to competitors without permission. And what are the ethical responsibility towards the public? It used to purposes avoid promoting false or misleading information through research result. So, what are the importance of marketing research? It helps to build trust and credibility, insurance and reliability of result, prevents legal and reputation of research. So, these are the importance of marketing research. Rural marketing research, it helps the systematic process of collecting and analyzing data, behavior buying patterns of rural consumer to help company to develop product distribution and marketing strategy to rural areas. These are the key features of rural marketing. Steps of marketing. First one is define the marketing research, sampling, design, data collection, analysis, interpretation, and report preparation. Then, what are the method used in rural marketing research? First one is primary research, and second one is secondary research. It has an important product development, pricing strategy, distribution and promotion planning, and build rural brand loyalty. Institutional management research means the systematic study of management of institution, that is research based decision making, planning, and performance evaluation. So these are the objective of marketing research. What are the area? First one is administrative, education, training research, policy research, and social research. And what are the method used in institution research? First one is quantitative method, qualitative method, and action research. Important, it helps the improve institution efficiency and accountability, evidence based policy and decision making, human resource and organization development, strategic planning and resource management. Then these are the in which these are unit 2 we are covered, in which we are covered what are the ethics in marketing research, what are the rural marketing research, institutional marketing research. In unit 2 we will cover all these research. Unit 3, in which we have studies problem formulation of marketing research, how we identify the problem of the researcher want to study. It is the foremost important steps of research. Steps in problem formulation. These are the steps. First one is identify, survey, discuss with expert, narrow down the problem, define the problem clearly, check feasibility. Statement of research problem. It means exactly what needs to be studied. And what is the researcher aim to achieve. Features of good problem statement. First one is clear and specific, based on fact, researchable, limited in scope, free from bias. What are the research process? First one is problem identification, review of literature, hypothesis formulation, research design, sampling design, data collection, data processing and analysis, interpretation of result, report writing and presentation. These are the research process. Fourth one is research design. It means the overall plan, structure, and a strategy of investigation used to obtain an answer to research question. It acts as a blueprint for research. What are the research design? First one is exploratory research design. That means little knowledge about the problem. Method in which we are use literature review, expert opinion, focus group, and case study. Descriptive research design in which we have two features of population or phenomenon, that what, when, and where and how. Methods are used: survey, observation, cross-section study. Experimental research design, it means cause and effect relationship in which we study laboratory experiment and field exploratory research design in which we have to study when the problem is not clearly defined. It means to explore, identify, and clarify. So, what are the purpose? First one is gain insight, understand basic concept, formulate hypothesis, and future study. Method are used: literature, expert interview, focus group discussion, case study, pilot. Descriptive, in which we have described features of population or phenomenon. It answer what, when, and where and how. So, for what are the purpose? Describe behavior, measure frequencies of events, and identify relationship between variables. Methods are used: survey, observation, cross-section study. Experimental research design, in which we have to cause and effect relationship. These are the difference between experimental, descriptive, and exploratory. What are the decision theory? It means selecting the best alternative based on information. These are the condition of decision theory. How decision theory criteria under certainty. Decision tree. It is a graphical representation of decision and their possible outcome. It selects the best alternative by expecting values. What are the components? These are the components and steps. That is, first one, identify decision alternative, draw decision mode, add chances with probabilities, add outcomes, secret. These are the sample example of decision trees. Unit 4, in which we study methods of data collection. These are the data in primary data. Primary data is the first hand, in which we have observation, survey, interview, experimental, questionnaire method, and focus group. Secondary data, in which we study by census reports, books, journal, website, government publication. Observation method, that is, observation method means structure observation, unstructured participation, non-participation, and mechanical. What are the advantages? It is the real behavior studies, useful for illiterate response. Limitation: cannot study through or altitude, time consuming, and observer bias. Survey method, in which we ask the people question about their attitude, opinions, behavior, and questionnaire. Questionnaire means in which we written the list of question from respondents. These are the steps of questionnaire. And good, how the qualities of good question is logical, short and simple, clear, instructive. Attitude measurement technique. These are the Likert scale, in which we have to study the semantic differential side, respondent, how the respondent rating, how the rank of the order of preferences, attitude, administration of survey, in which we have processed the planning of distribution, managing, collecting responses from survey to gather data from research. These are the method of survey respondent, how the survey respondent are steps of that is observation of study, design questionnaire, sampling and sample size, survey using chosen method, follow, remembers, collect responses, check the competent code of the data, and prepare the analysis. These are the sample design, in which we already studied. Type of sampling technique. First one is probability, simple random sampling, systematic sampling, and stratified sampling, in which we have divided the groups. Sample taken from each useful when population has some groups. Cluster sampling, non-probabilistic sampling, these are all the sampling techniques. So, last topic is communication, common statistical technique, when to use and how. These are the statistic technique, in which we have to identify all the selection. Observation of to present data in systematic and logical form, simplify complex data, help type of table, that is simple table, double table, and complex table. Title: what are the parts of table, that is body, caption, stub, title, footnotes. Analysis of data, in which we examine, cleaning, um, transforming and summarizing data to make meaningful conclusion, steps in data analysis in which we have to editing, coding, classification, tabulation, process and interpretation. And what are the data analysis? That is mean, mode and median, scaling technique, nominal, ordinal and internal. These are the Likert scale, how systematic differential. Hypothesis is the tentative statement or assumption that the relationship between two or more variables in which researcher test during the study. How we need hypothesis? We need hypothesis guide the research, provide direction, help in selecting research design, facilitate data collection, form the basis of statistical tested, and improve their clarity and decision. Objective: we have to explain, test theories, provide framework, interpreting result, validate or reject assumptions. Types of hypothesis, that is first one is null hypothesis, and that is no relationship between variables, and second one is alternative, simple, complex, direction, predicts the direct non-direction hypothesis, associated hypothesis, causal hypothesis, working hypothesis. These are the report writing in which we have to reports all the objective, what are the research topic, technical report, popular business report. Okay, thank you. अच्छे जल्दी आ यार, कहाँ पे होगा ये? जी बताओ। कर दिया मैंने, तो पहले ही कर दिया, फिर स्टॉप, यहाँ पे स्टॉप कर दिया। हाँ स्टॉप हो गया ना बस। अब ओके, तो this is